This video is for two groups of people. People who want to replace the end of their pull cord on the ceiling fan, or people who need to repair a pull cord that has broken in half. This video is not for people who want to replace the entire switch the cord is attached to. I have a separate video for that. Home improvement stores usually sell replacement cords like this, so obviously go out and buy one of those first. The key to putting that new chain in place is this little piece that's on the end of the chain. Your old chain may also have one on the end of it. The piece serves as a junction that holds the two chains together. The last ball of that chain snaps into one end of the junction, and the last ball from the other chain snaps into the other end of the junction. Here I'm going to pretend that this is my old chain and it's still attached to the ceiling fan, and here's how I would attach the new chain to it. I press the ball of the old chain into the center of the piece and then pull it into place. Here's another view of me doing the same action. To remove a chain from a junction, you pretty much do the opposite of what I just showed you. If it won't come out of the junction, it may be that the junction has been squeezed, making it too tight on the chain. Using a tiny flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, you can pry that junction open a little bit and slide the chain out. Note, you cannot join two junction pieces together, so one of the two needs to be removed. That's pretty much everything you need to know to be able to get a new chain on the end of the old one. Please leave a like if you found this info useful.